There has been a case moving through Kampala. There are no cases of Ebola in Kampala. But we had a case that moved through to Kampala and unfortunately died in Chirudu Hospital. That was on the 7th? And was buried in Mubende. Now this gentleman was a contact who had been listed, but he decided to run away to seek treatment from a traditional healer. When it didn't work, he requested to be brought to Chirudu. When he came to Chirudu, he was very sick. When he died, because he changed his name from the name that we originally knew. So we got to learn when he was taken back for burial in Mubende. And the leaders in Mubende intercepted the teams that took the body, and they had to identify the man as the one who was on our contact list. So a sample confirmed that he had Ebola. So right now we have about 42 contacts that have been listed in Chirudu. The witch doctor in Luero is a contact, and the relatives that brought the patient are contacts that have been listed and are in quarantine currently.